Hello RC addicts, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Driveshaft upgrade to the Kyosho 2020 Mercedes AMG GT3. This beauty right here. Alright, that's the newest addition to the garage. And what we're going to do is we're going to install the hardened driveshaft upgrade, aluminum driveshaft upgrade. And here's the part number you need, FAW209, Kyosho Genuine Parts, right here. So, it's a much needed upgrade if you are going to do anything more than a 2S LiPo battery in this platform. Is this drive shaft here, if you do anything more than a 2S, it's just gonna flex, wobble, vibrate, slap around and inside here, and it's gonna sound absolutely horrible. It's gonna rob you of speed too. So we're gonna replace it with this. So what you need, get your handy dandy tools out. Okay, you're gonna need a 2mm driver. Okay, and you're gonna take these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to take those off, and then it'll lift the whole cover off here, which will expose your spur gear, your motor and pinion gear, and you'll see more of the drive shaft back here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started taking these screws out. Alright, so there are two different size screws here. You can see that short one that I pulled out first, and the long one that pulled out second. Now those two long ones, make sure they go back here. Okay, all the other screws are the same size. So we get these taken out. Alright, got those off. Move that to the side. And now we can lift the cover. There we go. And there you see, now you can see your spur gear, your pinion gear. The drive shaft here is what we need to take off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just going to lift just a little bit, enough for it to give flex, and you can pop that right out. See, here's your drive shaft. This is the plastic one. It's pretty flexible. And now for the new drive shaft. Now you look at it and you're going to say it's thinner than the plastic one. It is thinner than the plastic one, but this is way, way stronger and more durable than this is. Look at that. It's really not flexing. So now to reinsert, we're going to put the front in there and the rear back in here. Okay, here we go. Just find your notch. See, it's in there in the front. Get those wires out of the way. There we go. All right, and get your notch in the rear. So we're going to do just like we did the first time. We're just going to bend the spur input up just a little bit. And drop that right back down in there. That's it. Drive shaft installed. There you go. Now, you just gotta put it back together. Get your gear cover, spur and pinion gear cover back in place. Just like that. And put your screws back in. Get your 2mm driver. And start getting them back in. I'm gonna alternate putting the screws in, and I'm just gonna get it snug and then tighten them up at the end. Actually, get one of these long ones. Remember, the long screw goes to the rear. Get it snug. Remember, don't want to over tighten these screws because it's metal to plastic and you can strip the threads where you're putting the screw in. I've got a fly buzzing around here and decided to come pay a visit. Got the first live guest to the RC Addicts Garage, a fly. Okay, so that's the last screw. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them down all the way, just to where it stops. Because like I said, you don't want to over tighten because it's plastic and you do not want to strip those threads. All right, one more screw to snug, and that's it. There you go. Drive shaft installed. Now you're ready to rock out 2, 3, 4S LiPo if you want to. If you're going 3 and 4S LiPo, make sure you upgrade your motor and your ESC. But that's our fix for the day, or our upgrade for the day. One upgrade down, I don't know, probably 15 more to go. So that's it for the Mercedes AMG GT3, and I bid you adieu. Thanks for coming by. Hit that thumbs up if you like what you saw. Subscribe if it's your first time coming by, and I just like you to share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive, and God bless. Until next time, addicts. Peace.